How to add a row, column, or cell in Excel. Surely you once had the need to add a row, column, or field to an already finished table. If you want to find out how you can do it, stay until the end of the video. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel we want. I will choose this Excel. There's already a table here that we want to expand, and that's in the middle. Let's say we want to add one field. Select the field next to which you want to add a new field. After that, find the Insert option in the Home menu. When you click on it, the field will be added. Now, if we want to add a row, we will highlight the entire row above which we want to add a new row. When we have done that, we will click on the Insert option again. As you can see, a new row has been added. We can also do the same for the column. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.